Then the next major decision, which was given by the investigation committee, 3-member committee, which was appointed by Managing Committee of Goa Cricket Association. That was, the committee has recommended expulsion of Mr. Ganesh Raj Narvekar from all the activities and participation of GCA for 6 years. This includes participation in BCCI tournaments and all tournaments recognized by GCA. He is further banned from attending training camps. The investigation committee has found Mr. Ganesh Raj Narvekar guilty in submitting fake and false birth certificate to participate in BCCI tournament under various names. Also, his parents, Mr. D.G. Narvekar and Mrs. Sushma Narvekar, have been guilty for forging certificate on the purpose and made serious malpractice. It has also been observed that he was instrumental in groupism, exerted influence on the team selected due to his father's control in the affairs of GCA. The managing committee has accepted the recommendation of the committee with immediate effect. You know what type of dictatorship he was doing before.
So you all accepted?
And yeah, we have told this, we have told it to the press also. He was acting like a dictator before. That we have already told. And this everything has become, his expulsion, everything has become because of his behavior only.
You were saying he was acting as a dictatorship, but why you all have not opened all this before?
Now we opened.
Why?
Time has to come for everything, each and every thing.
Is it because of the change of the government?
I don't think so. If change of the government was there, then he would have been out in 2001. But we have seen in last 3 years, he was dictating the terms, really means it was out of everybody's hand. He was, I will give you a few incidents. He was interfering with all the teams. There was no say for the secretary. Otherwise, the secretary has to look after the Ranji team, which is most important. Nobody interferes in that. I think even many of the selectors will also say that in every field his interference was there. Yeah.
Now this managing committee has accepted the recommendation of the committee also. Would you all be filing a complaint on this forging and all?
It is already filed by Dr. Sarkar.
From your side? Committee side, I thought.
No, we don't have to file this. We have already expelled him. I don't think so.
So this report would go to BCCI?
But you see, you never know. Because we have already sent this report to BCCI, I think.
Now we ask.
But previously we have written to them. And because you never know what can happen further. See, now new committee will come. You must be knowing, Mr. Dalmia had so many cases on him. With BCCI had put so many cases. And what happened? After some years, when changes are there, they removed all the cases from his. So you never know what can happen further. Now we'll see which new committee comes.
So you're saying there's a chance that BCCI will not accept his expulsion?
No, there is no question BCCI accepting his. We are expelling him,
Okay.
So he cannot go and play further.
So it cannot be superseded by BCCI?
No, definitely not.
So what is the role of Mr. Narvekar at this moment in GCA? Is a member what?
Expelled member doesn't have a role in the
So no.
no role in GCA.
Is under investigation, scanner.
Now we will be taking a general body for his expulsion, which we have to take within 6 months.
Mr. Narvekar has been giving his own remarks, quoting his own channel. What is the reaction to that? What is your reaction to these parallel proceedings?
We don't react to the expelled members. We don't have to worry about that because he got no connection with Goa Cricket Association. We had complaints from many players. Even one player said that he told one player, you want to be in cricket, then you listen to me, or you will be out of cricket.
But did he say this in the investigation with Mr. Mulla?
Who?
Ganesh Raj Narvekar.
No, how he can say? I don't think he will say.
But then this
But
point.
we got a complaint from other players
Like how many?
regarding financial, regarding cricket. There are a lot of other cases which investigation has been. Chetan Desai is doing that investigation, which is appointed by the government. So once he gives his report, then everybody will come to know.
When will you be giving the report?
I think he should give within this week. I think so.
Ganesh Raj is expelled for the fake birth certificate or the fake names.
Both.
तुम्ही आता रिपोर्ट BCCI टाकता
Yeah.
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट
Yeah.
Will inform.
We will inform them.